Welcome to Madison, Indiana. Ever been here? You may not know us, but you know our work. This is where Rotary lifts and wheel service equipment are raised right every single day. Built by a team of hardworking hands with decades of experience. We're talking 20 years, 30 years. Robin's been at Rotary for 45 years. Just because we've been here a long time doesn't mean we can't keep up with the times. The next generation is helping us lead the industry in automation and high-tech features that support technicians in auto shops all around the world. We won't apologize for having high standards or for the extra time we spend testing our lifts for more cycles than we have to. Because quality is what we're all about. That's why if we wouldn't buy it ourselves, we won't sell it to you. And if you need something, our knowledgeable service and distribution network will do their best to help you out. Because that's the Rotary way. Whether you're in Madison, Mexico, or Madagascar, every time you see our signature red oval, it's a sign that you're working with the best of the best. Equipment built with pride, so you can keep doing the work that you're proud of. Rotary is raised in Madison.